Hello students. Today I would like to share some information about the MBBS admission through All India Quota. The information what I would like to share with you is about the choice filling. Why am I actually sharing this info with you? Because there are a couple of things which are very different from the last time. The reason for that is last time almost half of the seats in All India Quota were not actually filled through the All India Quota seat allotment process, because after second allotment many students choose not to show up in those colleges. Maybe they might have got better options through the state quota. So all these seats became vacant, and the Ministry of Health chose not to do a third allotment. They actually transferred those seats to the respective state quotas. But this decision was actually challenged by few students. I guess it was from Delhi, those few students who actually challenged this decision in Supreme Court. And accordingly, Supreme Court has made a judgment that in future the Ministry of Health should make sure that through All India Quota the seats are only filled by the All India students. They asked Ministry of Health to make sure that they can make only 2 allotments, but those 2 allotments should be foolproof. There has to be some rules that students don't just leave their choices and go. So according to that judgment, this time onwards, there are some few changes how the process is being done. First of all, as I have written here, during the first allotment, choose only those colleges where you can personally be present and join if you are offered with a seat. Otherwise, you won't be able to participate for the second allotment. What do I mean by that? For example, if you are a student, say from somewhere from south, say Kerala, Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, and by filling your choices, you just opt to fill as the students always used to do. You chose to fill as much as colleges as you could from India, say somewhere in Mizoram, Assam, Tripura, or somewhere in remote places of Bihar or UP. And you thought that probably, even if I get a chance, even if I get a call, I would probably skip it and I would choose I would try the second allotment. No, it's not possible. If you are offered with any of your choice in the first allotment, say that you have just chosen somewhere in a remote place, and fortunately or unfortunately that choice comes through, then within 2 or 3 days you have to be present there in that college and you have to take admission. If you choose not to take admission, then you won't be eligible to participate in this second allotment. You will not be eligible to participate in the second allotment if you don't take admission at the place, at the college where you are offered your first choice. That is very important. And the second most important point here, choose only those colleges. This is about the second allotment process. Choose only those colleges which are possibly better than the one which you are already admitted in. What do I mean by that? Maybe you have already got some seat in your state quota, or you're almost to get a chance in your state quota, and then the second allotment for the all India quota is also going on, and then you chose, okay, I'll also take a chance here, I'll choose some XYZ colleges. So in case if I don't get in my state quota, I might take this college also. But remember that during the second allotment, if you are offered with a college of any of your choice, then your admission in any other medical college will be cancelled automatically. If you have already taken admission somewhere, that admission will get cancelled automatically. That college will get information from Ministry of Health to cancel your admission in that particular college because you are already offered a seat in the second allotment. That means that in the second allotment, if you are offered a seat, then you can't escape that seat. You have to take that seat. If you chose not to accept that seat, then you cannot take admission in anywhere in any medical college this year in India. It is that strict. So I also have written here that or better than the one which you may plan to join if you get admission through state quota or deemed universities, etc. Maybe some of the students are expecting some better admission somewhere, maybe in deemed university. I know it cost you some more money, but still you may have it, and it's a good college, so you may plan to join there in case if you get an admission. But then accidentally, if you have opted some colleges which is not your first choice of joining in the second, all India quota choice filling, and if you get an admission in that college, please be aware that in the second allotment you can't escape that choice. So be careful that during the second allotment, whichever choices you are making, it is the one which you will join if you get an admission. Just do not pull any colleges into your choices, you'll be in trouble. Again, reminding you, during the first allotment, choose only those colleges where you can personally go and join and take admission. Otherwise, you won't be able to participate for the second allotment process. These are the two most important things you have to remember about this year's All India Quota choice filling. Thank you, friends. I hope this is at least helpful for some students. And please do read the instructions very carefully. Just do not go by this video. Please please make sure by yourself to read the instructions very carefully and then make your choice filling. Thank you.